watch out, there's chocolate right here. Okay, go ahead. Where's Brooke? Okay. Tanvi, watch out. Don't just go into the road. Tanvi. Well, thank goodness you're staying put.
Mommy, can I cross the road?
With me. Check both ways. Stop, look, and listen. Don't just rely on the grown-ups now, okay? All right, stop, look, and listen. Seems very clear. Then make your crossing. Look straight ahead and just calmly proceed across. He's not here.
Can I see?
He's not here. No, his cars are not here. Neither car is here, so he's not here.
Maybe we're in the garage.
No, his garage doesn't have cars in it. It has lots of things other than cars, but not cars. Right?
That's the black car.
What?
But he drew it.
Oh, he drove the black car away?
Uh-huh.
Good heavens.
And this black car's in the garage.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. It's not. No! He won't think it about it.
What's she doing? Going to ring the doorbell? She's gonna go ring the doorbell. Well, there's nothing terrible about going to ring the doorbell, I suppose.
His doorbell is broken.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Ooh. What? Up, up. I can fly this way too. I can fly this way. I'm stuck. I can fly.
Where's she going? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, your ballet shoes. Oh dear. Those are clearly not rain boots. That's the problem right there. Ah, your sister's halfway down the street. To catch up.